Hello everyone, today I'm going to be doing like a clean with me, tidying my room kind of video. My room is a complete mess. It's not right now because I am coming to you from the end of the video, but before I cleaned it, it was a mess. I have been in the habit of watching like clean with me videos and I find them really entertaining watching people tidy, so I thought I'd make my own one. So yeah, I'm going to get into the video and you'll see how messy it really was. This is my room right now. It is awful. In my opinion, just not acceptable. My room never gets this messy. I don't know what's happened to me, but I'm gonna tidy it. So what I'm gonna be doing first is taking all of my clothes and putting them on my bed just so I have them all together, and then I can work on everything else and then put these away, etc. Literally like half of the stuff isn't even mine. I've been away for the past like 2 days, so when I got back I just kind of emptied everything onto my floor. So that's kind of why my room is so messy, and then obviously because of like Christmas and stuff, I have had a lot of clutter. I really wanted to talk to you guys during this video, but I feel like it's really tricky to do. So I don't know if this is that entertaining. Right now I'm just taking down some of my Christmas decorations, which is very sad, but I've put this like glitter lamp that I got for Christmas in place of the sparkly Christmas tree that I had. What I'm gonna do is leave this Christmas tree here, I don't know if you can see, because I realised I don't know what to do with the tree and it's not dead yet, so I kind of just want to keep it going until it dies. So yeah, it looks kind of messy, but I don't really want to just throw it out while it's still alive and well. These shelves in my room especially are so messy, but it's going to take me a long time to clean them, so that's just not a job for today. So this is finished. It looks a lot better, obviously. That there is a duvet. I know it looks really messy, but I use it at night because I get really cold. But yeah, there's my desk. You can see me in the mirror. And then obviously I've kept my Christmas tree up right now. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this clean with me kind of video. I don't really know what I'm gonna call it yet. I hope it wasn't too boring. I know the majority will probably be time lapses, but I feel like they're really satisfying, so I hope you guys like them as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video.